SoFi, of course, had the earnings, and everybody is now talking about the earnings. I received 15 alerts from SoFi or from Bloomberg, basically talking about how SoFi has beaten the earnings, they have raised their guidance, and how wonderful the numbers look. Then I receive a update saying that the earnings were mixed. And I'm like, how's that? How's that mixed? Yeah, EBITDA, of course, I understand that they were expecting 23.2 million. They came out with 5 to 10 million. Okay, I understand that there was a miss there. But how is future guidance mixed? And then I started to look at the report. And the more and more I read the earnings, and I'm going to, of course, break it down for everyone, but more and more I read the earnings, more and more I get excited about the earnings because it was a good beat. It was not a beat just by, say, a few points. Okay, yeah, they were expecting 400 million revenue. They came out with 393 million. Sure, yeah, that would have been close. Okay, one beat. It was a double beat. They are raising their guidance for 2022 fiscal year, along with whatever is going on. I mean, sell the bounce, it's happening so much. And then we see Dan Ive from Mizuho Security comes out and he says the earnings were very strong. And I really like that analyst. He covers Tesla as well, and I really enjoy his coverage because he looks at deep value things, the things that many analysts miss. And as soon as the earnings came out, that was my reaction to as soon as I saw the numbers. I was like, this is an amazing beat. Look, I just got another alert from Bloomberg saying that three key takeaways from the SoFi earnings. And I'm sure they're talking about the guidance or the revenue guidance for 2022 fiscal year. Also, that they're talking about having almost 4 million members and almost 63% increase year over year in terms of financial products. So these are all very strong points for a financial company in these times. So I personally feel that we are going to get amazing earnings call is going to be key for us to find out exactly what Anthony Noto is going to talk about in the earnings call, and also what kind of questions analysts are going to ask. I was going to ask these two questions, and of course, if one of the analysts asks, that's going to be awesome. Number one, why is your app lacking? Because I've heard from so many of our viewers and also so many members on Discord saying that their app is really slow in terms of development. And also, how are you planning to navigate the student loan moratorium that President Biden has announced? How are you going to tackle that? And how are you going to, or is it going to change your lending? Because see, there are three businesses in one. And that's why I love the company. They are a lending business. They are a technology business, a fintech business. And also they are more a super app business because they are cross-selling the products more than anybody else. So I personally feel that we are going to see the earnings call that's going to happen is going to give us more insight on how SoFi is thinking, not 2022, but 2024, 2025, because those were the forming years for this company. We are in this funky market for a very long time. Nothing is going to improve. I personally feel that we are not going to see any rally in the stock market till the end of 2022. Any rally that's going to come, doesn't matter if it comes in NASDAQ or S&P 500 or Dow, will be met with sell the bounce people. Basically, people, those who are coming out and selling their positions as soon as they become profitable. I ask this question to all of you guys, and you let me know in the comments below that if SoFi comes out and they give out, I would say tomorrow, that okay, we are going to be profitable in the next quarter, and the stock runs to $20, would you liquidate some of your positions? Would you take profit on some of your positions? Because trust me, if you think you are going to do it, so is many other folks out there also thinking the same way. And I'm telling you, I always ask the question to myself first before I go in the market and think how the market is going to react. Will I do that? If I'm in their place, would I do that? So let me know in the comments, what are you guys thinking? Would you be selling your position if SoFi turns 20 or it reaches to $20 by the end of 2022? Would you liquidate some of your positions? Because that's going to give us a very clear idea of how SoFi is going to play out in the next few years. So I just wanted to quickly share this update with you because the kind of alerts I'm getting looks like it was a solid beat and a solid quarter. Mixed future guidance on EBITDA, I don't know. I'm going to find out more in the earnings call what they're talking about. But of course, I wanted to quickly come and share this. Hope you liked this video. If you did, comment and let me know. Also hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new for more, I guess, on the street updates. Take care. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.